and welcome back to LearnCity. In continuation from our previous bar chart class, where we say in today's class we will also be talking on pie charts, where we will have a revisional class on pie charts. And in today's class we'll be solving two examples on pie chart. Basically, pie chart is a circular type of chart where information are being represented on the pie chart in form of segments, where information is being represented as some of different segments in the pie chart. Basically, pie chart is also a kind of chart where the quantities or the proportions are basically represented in a quadrant format, where we have a particular quadrant or a particular side allocated to a quantity and another side allocated to another quantity. Now, in today's class on pie charts, our first example today is the lesson period in a certain school are as follows. So we have English to be 10 hours, mathematics to be 7 hours, we have biology to be 3 hours, agric science 4 hours, fine arts 3 hours, then history to be 9 hours. So we have to illustrate this information on a pie chart. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to first add the total number of the hours in this place, in this question. So we have 10 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. So we have here to be 10, which is 20. Here is 27, and we have 36. So we have 36 hours in total. Now for English, we will now be 10 over 36 times 360 degrees. So we have, here is 10 times 10, that is 100 degrees. For maths, we have it to be 7 over 36 times 360. We have it to be 70 degrees. For biology, we have 3 over 36 times 360. 16, we have to be 30 degrees. Then for agric, we have it to be 4 over 36 times 360. We have it to be 40 degrees. For fine arts, which is also 3, also 30 degrees. And for history, well, we have 9 over 36 times 360. We have it to be 90 degrees. So here we have 100 degrees, 70 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 30 degrees, and 90 degrees. Now we construct our pie chart. We draw a circle. Then we have a midpoint at our circle. So here, we have 100. We can first draw our 90. This is 90 degrees for history class. We have 90 degrees. Then we have our 100. So basically, if our 90 is here, then additional 10 will be around this. So here is our 100 degrees for English. So here is remaining 80 degrees. Now we can draw our 70 degrees for mathematics. So when we have here can be 70 degrees for math. So this is an extra 10, adding it plus a 20. This is 30 degrees for biology. Then, so we have 70 here, which is for agric and fine arts. So we can just draw another 30 here. And we have here for 40 degrees for agric. So this is our pie chart. We've constructed our pie chart. Now, for the second example, we also have something relating to that, where we have the weight of 5 students in a department are as follows. The weight of 5 students in a department, where we have the names and the weight. So we have Dennis to be 80. We have Bright to be 65. We have Awa to be 55. We have Adebayo to be 70. And we have Ellen to be 60. Now, let's illustrate this in a pie chart. Adding this together, we have 5. This is 0. We have 1. This is 9. We have 15. We have 20. We have 27. And we have 36. So we have it to be 360. So now, for Dennis, we have it to be 80 over 360 times 360. So here is also 80 degrees. So basically, since you have it here, it will also be 80 degrees. Here will be 65 degrees. Here is 55 degrees. Here is 70 degrees. And here is also 60 degrees. Since we have it to be also 360 degrees. Now, illustrating this in a pie chart, where we draw a circle, we have a midpoint. The first one, we have 80 degrees. For Dennis. Next one, we have 65 for Bright. 65, this is 10, so adding an extra 55. So this will be 65. So we'll clean this one. For Bright. Now, 65 here, so here we have it to be 45. Here will be 35, you have here to be 35. So adding 20, so we have 55 degrees for Awa. Then 70 degrees here for Ellen. And we have 60 degrees for, okay, this was not drawn very well. So here, where we have 80 degrees for Dennis, we have our midpoint to be, here we have 80 degrees. So having our 80 degrees, we can have it to be this form. This is 80 degrees. Then our 70 degrees, let's draw our 70. We have, this is half of this. So 80 out of 180 here will remain 100. To remain 100. So drawing our 70, we can have it to be this form. So we can have it to be 70 degrees. So this is 30, adding 30, adding another 30 to it. Can have here to be 60 degrees. So we have 65 and we have 55. So we can have this to be 65 degrees and 55 degrees. So we have here to be Dennis, we have Bright, we have Adebayo, we have Awa, and we have Ellen. So this is our pie chart. This is our pie chart. And this brings us to the end of today's class on our revision class on pie chart. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and comment, and I'll be seeing you in the next class. Thank you.